Hey there everyone, my name is Rohit and in this video we are going to learn about the HTML, which is also known as Hypertext Markup Language. This is the full form of HTML. So uh, give you a quick view about the HTML, what HTML actually is. HTML is a language which can be used um, to create website. This tutorial teach you everything about the HTML. HTML easy to learn. You will enjoy it. Examples are here. HTML introductions. Okay, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup, blah, blah, blah. So you can go here in w3schools.com and take a look about the description where you can uh, read all these links like what are the editors you can use for the HTML, what is the basics, what are the elements, attributes, heading, paragraph, styles, formatting, and like so. But I will go ahead and just tell you how you can start your first project. So I'm going to close this, open the Google. Okay, so to create an HTML page, you need to have a good editor for that. So you can also create HTML file in your text document by a notepad. Like if you give a name like home.html and make sure the extension will be the HTML. So um, let me just, okay, save as, go for the save as. We are going to do it like all files.html and save. Here, I guess it's not, yeah, it's here. See, it save as a HTML document. But right now, there is nothing, so we can't see anything about inside this. So this is empty. So um, basically, I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can get it from here, Visual Studio Code. This is the Microsoft software. You can use it. It's free. And if you don't want to use this, then you can also use Notepad++, which is also good to start. And there are so many text editor out there like Sublime or Adobe Dreamweaver or like there are so many. So I'm going to use this one because I'm actually a React Native developer and I'm using this from a long time ago. So to get started, what I'm going to do is I'll create a folder first, uh, HTML basics, by the name of HTML basics, and I'm going to put here, and I will put my home HTML file inside this. So to get started, we have to open this file inside our text editor, which I open. Okay, so what we have to do now, look, friend, basically there are two things in an HTML. One is head, okay, these are the tags. I'll explain this to you. And other one is body. So these are the two things. Head means you have all the scripts, you have all the external files you can call here. And inside your body, you can code here. You can write your code here, and people who open your web page like so. One second. If I open this HTML, yeah, whatever you wrote inside, whatever you write inside your body, people can see. But whatever you write here inside your head tag, people won't see that because it is used to get the external files, get the fonts, get the style sheet and everything. You will get to know about it if you are you know, watching this video first time, or if you are starting HTML from right now. So um, basically what we are going to do is to create a simple HTML page. So to get started, you have to write HTML, and inside this is the wrapper of header and body. Inside this, you have to write the body. Okay, as I told you, head and body. These are the two parts which you need to take care. Like to import files, you have to write here, and to write your code, you have to write here. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to define our document type as an HTML. So to do that, we are going to type the doc type in capital letters, and then we are going to put HTML, and in front of it, we're going to do this. Let me just 1 second. Doc type HTML. So this is our first tag which we are going to define. I'm going to delete this one because this is not the right thing. Yeah, this is the right thing. We are first we put the exclamatory mark, then we are going to define the document type HTML. That we are writing whatever the code is below than this is HTML. So now what we have to do is to write the HTML tag, and inside that tag we are going to define our head and body. So inside our head we are going to give the title of the website which we are going to which we are going to make. So I'm going to put the title as Code with Rohit, so you guys have a better idea about it. So okay, and now I'm going to refresh this. So see here, right now there is no title, so it's like the file name. Okay, but if I refresh this page, it will take the title from my HTML file and show here Code with Rohit. Okay, and now inside our body, if I type like hello world and save this file and refresh my page, see here, I told you. What we are going to do now, I will show you something like about the paragraph. So to write a paragraph, you need these are the tags. Okay, these are the elements, and inside these elements we can define our classes and ID, which are the attributes. We call these things attributes. So inside our class we can define any class, and inside our ID we can define ID to that particular element. So inside this element is called paragraph element. You can write hello world. Okay, and there are 6 type of heading, which is known as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So I will tell you the difference. Let me just write this thing first. I'm going to copy this one and paste it in every element tag, so you have a better idea what I want to do. Like I'm going to refresh the page. See, H1 is the biggest is the H1, and then H2, H3, H4, H5, and like so. So this is the paragraph. This is our paragraph. Okay. So, and what are the other elements? Yeah, the other element is inside our paragraph we can use the strong element. What it will do, it will make the word bolder. So see this. This is the normal paragraph, and this is the bolder paragraph, which use the strong element. What else we can do is we can make our font italic. Okay, so we're going to use this now. Okay, see this one. Okay, and what else? What else? Italic, bold. Mm, okay, one second. Oh, it seems emphasizes same as the italic. So basically, this is the thing, and in my next video, I will tell you about the style sheets, what we can do with the style sheet, because I don't want to confuse you if you're starting. So this is what we can do, and this is how we can store a basic HTML file. You have an idea now. Go ahead and just dig inside this website. Just take a look of this website, W3 Schools, and go for the Learn HTML and have some, like, spend some time here and read these things so you have a better idea what I'm talking about. In our next video, I will show you what is CSS. So this is the CSS from which we can use colors in our web page, and we can style our text. So till then, you can like go ahead and read these things. So I will see you in my next video. See you guys. Take care. Bye bye.